It's lunchtime, my favorite meal of the day because it's always a big fruit meal. What do I have here? I've got 6 blended bananas with 1 Fuyu persimmon. If you've never tried persimmon, oh, you've got to try it. They are awesome. Okay, there's a Fuyu persimmon, and these things are so sweet, it'll knock your socks off. So I blended one of these with 6 bananas, then I chopped up 1 banana, and I put about a cup of blueberries in there. So what do I have in there? About 900 calories. Okay, so this will keep you going for a while. You know what I'm saying? This is what we're designed for, fruit. It really does a body good. All right, so if you see these at your local supermarket, sometimes Publix has them here in Florida. Trader Joe's will have them occasionally. Who else? I've even heard Costco has these once in a while. But these are awesome fruits. The other day, my wife and I were at a farmer's market, and I saw these in a basket. And I said, wow. And then I'm thinking, oh man, the guy's probably charging 15 bucks for the basket. $3. I got 6 of these for 3 bucks. 50 cents a pop. That's a great deal. So now there's many varieties of persimmon. There's also a Haichia, I think it's pronounced, something like that. But this is the Fuyu, or we could call it the food for you. The food for you, Fuyu. It's really nice. Give it a shot if you've never tried them. Blend it with bananas and you've got a great smoothie or a great fruit bowl. All the best, guys. Please give me a like, a thumbs up, and fruit up. Eat that fruit. It's going to help you get healthy. All the best. Take care.